Local businesses live and die by reviews. This product uses AI to monitor feedback, draft fast responses, detect sentiment trends, and turn recurring complaints into operational fixes, helping owners protect trust and improve the business behind the rating. So far, we've used a clear filter for AI opportunities: real pain, urgent buyers, a clear AI advantage, and an MVP that can actually be built. We've tested that lens across several domains. Now we'll apply it to reputation management for local businesses, a workflow-heavy SaaS idea with recurring need and practical launch potential. Reviews function like a public front desk. Every comment can influence discovery, trust, and sales. But owners are busy, responses get delayed, and useful patterns stay buried. That makes reputation management both a customer-facing risk and an operational cost. The best early buyers are not simply any business with reviews. They are businesses where one review can affect tomorrow's revenue. Restaurants and cafes feel it through foot traffic, delivery orders, and reservations. Clinics, salons, hotels, and repair shops feel it when customers compare trust before booking. Local services like plumbers, HVAC companies, cleaners, and auto shops feel it when high-intent leads choose the highest-rated option. The strongest buyer is usually the owner, general manager, marketing manager, or agency managing multiple locations. They have urgency, but not a full reputation team. This opportunity is compelling because it combines pain, repetition, and measurable value. Reviews keep arriving, so the workflow is ongoing, not a one-time task. AI adds leverage by reading the stream, summarizing sentiment, spotting patterns, and drafting better responses for approval. The value is easy for owners to understand: faster replies, stronger trust, better retention, and improved local visibility. It is also feasible as an MVP with review APIs, a simple dashboard, response drafting, approval controls, and analytics summaries. Think of the MVP as a narrow, high-value pipeline. First, it pulls reviews from the places customers already use, such as Google, Yelp, Facebook, TripAdvisor, and relevant niche platforms. Then AI summarizes sentiment and tags recurring themes: service, cleanliness, price, speed, quality, or booking friction. From there, it drafts a brand-appropriate reply while keeping the owner in control through approval or editing before anything is published. The system also escalates risky reviews, such as safety, legal, refund, or discrimination concerns, and turns the month's activity into clear insights. In day-to-day use, the workflow should feel like a morning checklist, not a crisis. New reviews come in from different platforms, and the system prioritizes them by urgency, rating, location, and source. AI reduces the reading burden by summarizing the issue and suggesting the right tone. The owner reviews the draft, makes quick edits, approves it, and posts from one place. After that, the product keeps watch. Unresolved complaints are tracked, and follow-up reminders turn reputation management into a reliable 10-minute habit. Response drafting is where automation can build trust or create risk. The assistant should first classify the review as positive, neutral, complaint, severe, or suspicious. Then it should match the business voice: friendly, formal, premium, or apologetic. A good draft is specific enough to feel human, but constrained enough to avoid admitting fault, exposing private details, or arguing in public. For sensitive businesses, the safest workflow is not auto-posting. Let AI prepare a strong first draft, then let a person review, adjust, and approve it before it reaches the customer. The deeper value is not just answering reviews. It is learning from them at scale. Each comment can be classified by issue type, frequency, location, severity, and trend. When long wait times or rude staff keeps appearing, the system turns scattered frustration into a measurable operational signal. Positive themes matter too because they show what customers already trust and what marketing can amplify. The strongest product experience summarizes these patterns monthly and recommends actions: staffing changes, training priorities, process fixes, or customer experience improvements. That is what turns the SaaS into a management tool. For a review product, integrations can make or break the MVP. Start with the source that matters most in the customer's daily reality. For many local businesses, that is Google Business Profile, because reviews affect search visibility and buyer trust. From there, expansion depends on the vertical. Restaurants may need OpenTable or TripAdvisor, healthcare may need ZocDoc, and home services may need Angie. But every platform has different API rules, approvals, and posting limits. A strong MVP can still deliver value by monitoring reviews and drafting responses, even before every channel supports direct publishing. A strong roadmap begins with the smallest product that creates measurable value. Here, the MVP means one place to manage reviews, understand sentiment, draft AI-assisted replies, route approvals, flag urgent complaints, and produce a basic monthly report. V1 adds scale, multi-location controls, brand voice, templates, permissions, and trend dashboards. Expansion comes after proof, with competitor monitoring, review request campaigns, white label agency support, and operational recommendations. The key discipline is avoiding early bloat. Every extra platform, CRM connection, or social listening feature should earn its place through buyer demand, not excitement. Packaging should make the product easy to buy and easy to grow into. A single location shop should not have to understand agency features, while a chain should not be boxed into a starter plan. Tie tiers to clear value drivers: locations, review volume, response drafts, analytics depth, and support. Use limits carefully. They should signal when an upgrade makes sense, not punish success. For agencies, create a separate offer around white label branding, client management, and reporting across accounts. The strongest launch motion is two-sided. Go directly to businesses where reviews affect revenue: restaurants, salons, clinics, home services, auto repair, and hotels. Led with a specific pain, not a generic pitch. For example, you have 28 unanswered reviews and wait times appear in complaints every week. Then offer a free reputation audit that turns the problem into a clear demo. Position the product around saving time, protecting reputation, and finding preventable issues. In parallel, partner with agencies that already sell SEO, websites, or marketing support. They bring trust and distribution. The funnel becomes audit, demo, trial, then monthly subscription. This idea is attractive, but it is not risk-free. The biggest danger is building a generic AI tool that sounds useful, but is constrained by platform APIs and not valuable enough to buy. Differentiation has to come from specificity. Industry playbooks, local SEO insights, compliance-aware responses, operational patterns, or white label workflows for agencies. Validation should be measured in business outcomes, not feature usage. Can you reduce reply time, increase completed responses, improve sentiment, reduce repeat complaints, and retain customers? Before building broadly, manually audit reviews for 20 businesses, run demos, offer trials, and test real willingness to pay. Big takeaway: reputation management is not just marketing. It is an operating system for local customer trust. A strong MVP gathers reviews, summarizes sentiment, drafts owner-approved replies, flags urgent issues, and turns patterns into monthly insights. Pricing can grow with locations, volume, and analytics needs. Next, we'll carry the same operational lens into inventory and reorder decisions.